Hey, health enthusiasts! Ready to change your life? Today, we're diving deep into the transformative power of a plant-based diet. Get ready to discover how this lifestyle choice can revolutionize your health and well-being in ways you never imagined. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss this. Ever wondered what a plant-based diet could do for you beyond the usual health benefits? Join us as we explore the lesser-known advantages that could redefine your approach to nutrition and lifestyle. Trust me, these benefits are truly game-changing, and there's a surprise waiting for you at the end of the video that could make your plant-based journey even easier. Let's confront the challenges of modern diets and their impact on our health and the environment. From processed foods laden with additives to the environmental toll of animal agriculture, it's clear that change is needed. Did you know that the average person consumes over 200 pounds of meat annually? That's not only affecting our health but also contributing massively to climate change. Now, let's uncover the surprising benefits of embracing plant-based nutrition. Beyond health improvements like enhanced digestion and clearer skin, a plant-based diet can also elevate your mood and support mental clarity. It's about nourishing both body and mind. Imagine waking up feeling energized, with a clear mind ready to tackle the day. Who wouldn't want that? A plant-based diet isn't just about salads and smoothies. It's about enjoying a wide variety of flavors and textures while supporting your overall health. Plus, you can still indulge in your favorite dishes with a plant-based twist. From plant-based burgers to creamy dairy-free desserts, the possibilities are endless. Prepare to be amazed by the science-backed benefits. Studies show that plant-based diets can lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Even more compelling, research indicates that those following a plant-based lifestyle can enjoy a longer lifespan. Yes, you heard that right, a longer, healthier life filled with vitality and joy. The evidence is compelling and underscores the transformative potential of this dietary shift. Choosing a plant-based lifestyle isn't just about personal health. It's a commitment to sustainability and ethical consumption. By opting for plant foods, we not only improve our well-being but also reduce our environmental footprint. It's a win-win for you and the planet. Ready to experience these benefits firsthand? Dive into the video description for resources, recipes, and tips to kickstart your plant-based journey today. Click the link below for an exclusive guide that will make your transition smoother than ever. Share your thoughts and progress in the comments below to inspire others to join the movement towards a healthier planet. Take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to make a positive change for yourself and the world around you. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing your journey to a vibrant, plant-powered life.